VA Form 21-4138, also known as the Statement in Support of Claim, is a document used by veterans, service members, or their family members to provide additional information, evidence, or clarification regarding a claim submitted to the Department of Veterans Affairs. This video will be brief, yet informative. Some common uses of VA Form 21-4138 are: supporting a disability claim. Veterans use this form to explain the circumstances or events that contributed to their service-connected disability. Example: describing a specific incident or injury during service. It is helpful to first describe what this statement is being used for. In the example, you will see that this veteran is submitting this statement to support a claim for painful scar on her abdomen. She describes when this condition began and how it currently affects her quality of life. Requesting updates or changes to a claim. Veterans can use this form to request updates, corrections, or to provide additional evidence to an ongoing or previously decided claim. Example: submitting new medical evidence or clarifying an error. In this example, the veteran is requesting to submit more evidence to support a claim already open and is still in the evidence-gathering stage. Dependency claims. It can be used to provide evidence or information to support dependency claims for spouses, children, or parents. In this example, the veteran is informing VA that they are responding to a letter mailed by VA, requesting additional evidence. They describe what additional evidence is being submitted to support a claim for dependency. Appealing a decision. Veterans can use this form to provide a written explanation or additional evidence when appealing a VA decision. For example, the veteran filed a claim for type 2 diabetes secondary to service-connected hypertension. Instead, VA processed this claim as a request increase for hypertension. The veteran was denied for the claim due to this error. The veteran can request VA to reconsider their decision by requesting a review based upon a clear, unmistakable error. The veteran can request this without filing a higher-level review or appeal. Section 1 will be for the claimant's information. This person can be the veteran, spouse, surviving spouse, dependent, fiduciary, or any other person that needs to submit a statement or information to VA regarding a claim, debt, appeal, personal hearing, etc. Section 2 is for the statement. The last section is Section 3 on page 2. This is where the claimant making the statement will sign and date. Do not forget to do this, or else the form will be invalid and the statement will not be considered. Also, don't forget the Social Security number at the top of page 2. That's it. Now you are ready to submit this statement. Don't forget to submit with your supporting documents, if you will be adding more supporting evidence, or with the actual claim when being submitted. Submit online, by mail, or through an accredited VSO.